What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. So yeah, a mechanical keyboard versus the Logitech K380. First I'm going to use a mechanical keyboard to do this speed test. As you can see, let me just make it like this so you can easily see. Just 1 minute. Okay, can you see or not? Okay, can you see the speed test? Okay, yeah, let's start the speed test with this one, with a mechanical blue switches keyboard. So I get around 42 words per minute. Yeah, can you see? 42 words per minute. Okay, so yeah, 42 words per minute. And then let me just put the mechanical keyboard aside and bring this one and retake it with the Logitech K380 so you can better understand. Okay, so I get on Logitech around 35, but one of thing is that I get a little bit lower words per minute, but typing on the Logitech is much easier for me and much better and much enjoyable than using a mechanical blue switches keyboard. My advice will be that, you know what, my advice will be simple as that: use a Logitech K3 is much better than mechanical keyboard and it's much silent. As you see, I press the button. So yeah, please go with the K380. Membrane keyboard is much better option. I will prefer this one over this mechanical keyboard. Subscribe and bye.